Hi, and thank you for allowing us to send you this video. I want to be showing you a few tips on how by improving your website you can get more exposure, outrun competition, and of course get more patients. So let's start here with your website. And one of the things that I have to point out is that you could really use more content. And by content, besides images, I mean wording. So more words, they have to be well structured, it has to be original, and they have to include the keywords that you want to be found for. And that's for the home page. And same principle applies to the different pages. For example, here, let's take a look at this one, pediatric food care. If you add more content, this is the same amount, but it has to include the keywords that you're going to be found for. It can be the same keywords on the homepage, but homepage is really critical because this will Google will pick most of the information at first. So if you will go and see the backend of your website, for example, you're being found for 313 keywords. That's bringing you around 107 visits to your website every month. And you have 95 backlinks. Now, what are backlinks? Backlinks are other sites that are mentioning your website and will give you power so you can be found in Google as well. And that will increase the domain rating and the URL rating. Now, not all backlinks are created equal. So you can have hundreds or thousands of backlinks, but if they're not powerful, if they're not relevant, and most important, if they're not targeting the keywords that you need to be found for, these will be completely useless. So let's take a look and see the organic keywords that's being found on the website really quick. And for example, this one, with the actress Freehold MJ, there's 100 searches on average a month. You're ranking number 3, and it's bringing you from these 110 10 visits to your website. Food doctor Freehold MJ, 20 searches a month. You're ranking number 4, and it's only bringing you around one visit from this term. But again, depending, you can see that you're targeting this, of course, from the services and the about page, content, same thing. But you can target more keywords. So here's an example. Pediatric people NJ. You being found here, of course, number 1, and you're ranking number 2 in the organic. So this is very good because you are actually ranking for your local city, but you can target, for example, the whole New Jersey area, right? You're going to see pediatric NJ. The first thing you're going to notice here is the traditional Google ads. Then you have the map section, and this is where you want to be regardless of your location. If you would have an optimized profile on your business and targeting the correct keywords on your website, you can definitely be here in this top 3 and also in this top 3 over here because 67% of the people that do a Google search don't even pass this top 3 and this top 3 over here. So that means they don't even go all the way down, not even to the second and third page. So you could be missing a lot of opportunities here for bringing new patients and more patients to your office. So for the purpose of the video, I want to pull out this website over here, and we can compare, right? They have a little more content here on the home page. You can see they have a lot of links over here as well, videos, information, and all of this. So that doesn't mean that you can not, you can have organic. What means that even though they have more content, if you would add more content to your homepage, will definitely help you to start ranking this for this Google search right here as an example. And same thing, then you can see that they have services, they have more pages over here. Not everything is well structured, but it's working for them. If you see in the back end of the website, they can find over 4,000 keywords. Which is quite a lot. It's bringing them around 939 visits a month to the website, and they have over 2,400 backlinks. And you can see that even though they have a lot of backlinks, this number is not that high, but this one is. That means that their links are not really that powerful. So if you would have a decent marketing campaign, this will be really easy to outrank eventually. If we look at the keywords that are being found for, let's see, give me a second. So this one over here, it has 250 searches a month, and for those 250, they're getting 85 straight to the website because they're ranking number one. Same thing with this one, it has 300 searches a month, they're getting 63 directly to their site, they're ranking number one. So all of this is just an example on what can you actually expect from these keywords. Depending on your goals, if you want to target these keywords, will definitely help you to grow your business. I don't want to take too much of the time, so if you find this information useful and you think we can work together, we can help you out, or even if you have any questions, please let us know. Our information will be attached to the email, and I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.